Morning, guys. Today we are going to discuss about green buildings in India. The first green building in India is first green building in India, and the first lead rated building in India is this CIA Shorabji Godrej Green Business Center, Hyderabad. CIA nothing but Confederation of Indian Industry. So it is the first building which has been awarded with LEED Platinum certification for new construction version 2.0 in 2003. Okay, this was the IGBC headquarters all over the India. It is located in Hyderabad, opposite to the Google office. Okay, it is the first such structure to have the campus outside the US. 50 to 60% of the roofs are covered with vegetation to keep the building temperature regulated, whereas the remaining portion is covered by solar panels that generate around 1000 to 120 units of electricity per day. So if you see in this building, you can see the vegetation on the roofs. But now, at present, this vegetation was removed and they have replaced with solar panels completely. You can see two towers, right? Those are nothing but these air cooling towers. Okay. I have visited to this building. That is the reason I am telling. There is some flora and fauna also. They are growing outside the campus, and they are using the water, recycling the water, and they are using that water for like uh, washing purpose, like that. Okay, this is about CII Shorabji Green Godrej Green Business Center, Hyderabad. Okay, and this building is designed in such a way that the daylight is properly entering into the building, because no need of lights during the daytime. Okay, that is the first building. Next building is Sajlan Monet, Pune. Okay, this unique concept of office in the garden and has managed to receive LEED Platinum rating in the year 2010. That was in the year 2003. This was in the 2010. Sajlan 1/8 is designed in such a way that 90% of the occupied space in the building has natural daylight accessibility. So complete building has 90% building has daylight will be entering into the rooms easily. It is installed with jet fans for ventilation that periodically pushes out stale air and brings in the fresh air, thus saves almost 50% energy. So the building is installed with jet fans which will allow the fresh air inside and hot air outside. That is the one building. Next one is ITC Moria, New Delhi. It was the platinum rated hotel, first and largest platinum rated hotel, LEED platinum rated hotel in the world, and uses parabolic solar concentrators to save energy. And it is also awarded as National Tourism Award as the best eco-friendly hotel in India. Okay, this property recycles almost 90%, 99% of the solid waste by means of composting or recycling waste. 99% solid waste, that means needed to 100% it is recycling and it is composting. It has been painted with volatile organic compound paint. Okay, this is one of the good feature in this building. Next is TCS Technopark and Ground Force Pumps, Chennai. This is the TCS Technopark in Chennai, which has unique energy consumption approach. It houses thermal storage system that stores thermal energy for later use. See, the thermal energy will be stored for later also. Solar heat collected during summer seasons is used during monsoon and winter seasons, and vice versa. Good, na? Solar heat is collecting solar heat during the summer. Whenever winter it is feeling cooling, that energy will be used for heating. This innovative concept has significantly reduced the average energy consumption of building evidently. This is one of the building. This is Olympia Tech Park, Chennai. It is one of the most sought after IT parks we have in the country. It has been certified as one of the LEED gold rated buildings in the world, adhered to the follow water saving techniques. If you identify, each building has different unique properties. Okay, this magnificent structure has dual plumbing line in which the treated grey water is utilized for the purposes like irrigation or flushing. Whatever the water it is coming from washroom, that water will be treated and that will be utilized for irrigation or flushing. Okay, HVAC systems are also inserted in this building. This is nothing but Olympia Tech Park, Chennai. Next, ITC Green Center. It is also awarded with Platinum Green Building rating by USGBC LEED. This building is provided with equipment which has reduced the energy consumption by 40% compared to other buildings. So it has solar thermal technology, zero water discharge, stormwater management. And this is Noida Patni iGate Knowledge Center. Okay, The depth of the building is the unique feature of the building is the depth of the building is planned in such a way that the occupied interiors can capture around 75% of the daylight and 50% of the area of the complex is designated for open green space. See, such a beautifully they are designed. This also has solar water heating, rainwater harvesting, and drip irrigation also. The water is coming from sewage that will be used for treated and utilized for the works like gardening and flushing. This is one more building, Infinity Benchmark, Kolkata. This is also LEED Platinum level certification. This is coming Infosys Pocharam, Hyderabad. What are the Infosys campus which is located in Pocharam? It is also LEED Platinum rated campus, and it received one of the prestigious UK Ashden Award, which is also known as Green Oscar. So these buildings have structurally designed installed windows and white painted roofs. It also uses radiant cooling technology. What is this radiant solar energy? Solar heat technology will be discussing in third unit. Okay, in which it also uses radiant cooling technology, in which cold water is pumped through the pipes that are strategically embedded in concrete. Good. While construction only there are some pipes were installed and cool water will be flowed in that pipes. That is nothing but radiant cooling technique. HVAC system were also installed. Energy efficient lighting was also there. This is located in Hyderabad only. This is one more building, Wipro Technologies, Gurgaon. Okay, it's open to landscape, which helps in keeping the temperature down during summers. So this building is open to sky. So that means temperature in summer during summer will be reduced. There are some terrace gardens, exterior light shelves, high performance grass, efficient chillers, photo sensor controls, and sample daylight spaces, among others. These are some green buildings in India. Apart from this, Shamshabad Airport, Rajiv Gandhi International Airport. That is also one of the IGBC platinum rated building. Okay, the entire building is constructed with a glass in which such a way that the daylight will be easily allows into that building, and the water will be whatever the water it is using there, they will be recycling that water and they will be using for them only. That's also one of the green building. Even in our campus also, ours is also a green campus, right? So if you see in our college, there are solar panels installed on all blocks. You know that. And the second thing is we are treating that sewage water and recycling that water, and we are using for planting and gardening. Second thing. Third one is there is a water treatment plant for us, STTP, solid waste treatment plant in our campus. You all of you know that, and our complete campus is replaced with LED bulbs. These are some green buildings in India and as well as in our campus. And if you see L&T metro stations, Hyderabad Metro, every station, all stations were got certified by IGBC, because there is no daylight, there is no lights for using during the daytime, because the platforms were designed in such a way. If you see platforms, if you say that station ticketing counters, everywhere there is no purpose to use light there. Okay, this is about the green buildings in India. There are many green buildings, other green buildings. These are some of the important green buildings which you have to know. In Hyderabad also we have many other buildings also. You can identify what are those buildings. Okay, thank you.